Hi everyone, in front of me I've got RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap. Then let's tap on see all 62 apps, of course 62 in my case, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter reset app preferences, and here we've got the information what our device will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.